Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply canvas, like the same canvas, to all of your videos. So I'm just going to add a video here, and I'm just going to kind of scale them all down to 80%. So you guys can see here. Just going to do that to all of my clips. Okay, once I'm done with that, I am going to just select the video, go to mask, and go to basic and then go to canvas. And I'm just going to go to the style one, and I am going to add this one, for instance, and I want it to be applied to all of my clips. So if I go to the right, it's still going to be like this black color because I haven't applied it to all of my clips. So to do that, let me just select like another. You know what? It's fine. To do that, I'm going to just select apply to all, which is up here. Select that, and it's going to be applied to all of your clips. Ta-da! That is it. Super simple, easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!